In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make aura in Capcut. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along, whether you're on the web version or the mobile app. Make sure your app is up to date so the effect names and menus match what you see here. Start by opening Capcut. You can use the desktop web editor or the app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, create a new project. When the aspect ratio options appear, choose 9:16. This portrait format is perfect for vertical videos like shorts, reels, and TikToks. If you already imported media and the project defaults to a different ratio, double-check that the canvas is set to 9:16 so the effect frames your subject correctly. Add your video to the timeline. You can drag and drop it in the web editor, or tap to import on mobile. Pick a clip where your subject, usually a person, is clearly visible. The aura effect works best when the subject is centered and well lit, because body effects rely on detecting the person's outline. If needed, do a quick trim so the clip starts right where the action begins and ends cleanly, which makes applying and syncing effects easier. Next, open the Effects panel. In the web editor, you'll see effects above the timeline. On mobile, it may be at the bottom. You'll find a lot of categories here, but for this look, we're going to focus on body effects. Tap or click body effects to filter down to effects that track human movement and silhouettes. If Capcut prompts you to analyze the clip, let it run. This helps the effect lock onto the person. Inside body effects, navigate to the Luminous section. This is where the glow and light-based effects live. Look for the aura options. There may be several variations, such as different colors or intensities. Hover or tap to preview how each one wraps a glow around your subject. Choose the one that matches your style. Apply the aura effect to the clip. In your timeline, an effect bar will appear. Extend its ends so it covers the full portion of the clip where you want the glow. Open the effect's settings to fine-tune. If available, adjust parameters like intensity, size, edge, softness, or color to balance the glow without blowing out highlights. Subtle adjustments often look more professional. Play back the video to check tracking. If the effect slips, try slightly reframing the clip or trimming to the sections where the subject is most visible. When you're happy with the look, you're set. That's how to make an aura in Capcut quickly and cleanly.